So this is where we stopped the last time. Welcome to another lesson. Let's do what we have here. So our padding and margin. So remember, this is just introduction. So I will just be mentioning those one that comes to my mind. But when we run at least a mini project, then we can be more creative. We can add anything we want. We have done something on form, so particularly on input we can do another thing. Input. So let me come here and show you input. You can remember that under our forms we have many inputs. Type as text, input. So all these inputs, let me show us what the inputs is all about. So all these inputs, are what is giving us these boxes that has the placeholder. So those are the inputs. So we can actually style them too. Like we can work on the text. So we can say text align if we want it to be in the middle. So we can say text align one. So we can say text align and then we choose center. So let's do it here. Can you see now? So this first name, last name, your name, and all of that. So they are now at the center. So there are many other things we can do too. Let's quickly share something. Okay, we can say border. If you don't want this border to be showing, let me show you the border. You see all this white, that is fine. It shows border. So you can actually say border. Oh, sorry. Border, then you say none. Don't mind me. So you say none, save it, then you come here and view it. So because it has a color, okay, because of the background, so I'm coming. So border none, then we can say border bottom. It is the color that is not let. Okay, for you to know that the border has disappeared, let me quickly show you something. Let me quickly say background, and then we put none, or okay, transparent. So we say transparent, and then you come here and view it. So we are going to see that all those white has disappeared now, right? So but if you have not declared border none, let's see what will happen. Let's say, let me remove the border. So I've misspelled it, so it's not going to be effective again. You see the border is there now, but it doesn't have I've removed the background. I've made the background to be transparent. So these are things I just want you to see, because the other time that I just say border none and it still has color, the background still has color. It looks like it's not effective, but it is actually effective. So now we don't have border and the okay. So now let me declare border none. Very well now. So we can check it and view it now. So there's no border here again. We can have, there's something we call border bottom if we just want it to have line under it. So border bottom, and then can declare our we can declare our border bottom to be what can I use? Let's say 2 pixel, 2 pixel. Then we say solid for it to show very well. Say solid. Let's see now. You see that it's not show very well because of the default color is usually black, so it's not really showing. And so we can also say white. So border bottom 2 pixel solid, then white. So save and then come back here and view it. Wow, can you see the line now? So it's only showing border at the bottom, not at the top again. So we can actually declare many things. So our button, uh because we want it to look like the way normal button used to look, so we can change this from this input. Let me look for button. Where's our button? We can change from this input, okay, and then we use normal button. We use normal button tag. So say button. Do I even know the spelling of button again? Okay, so button type submit. So remember that. Okay, let me do this way so that it won't be confused. When you declare button now and you close it, so difference between button and just input is that input is an empty element, so you can't put any element there, but button you can put something. So we can write button, or we say okay, oh, register. So you can say register. Then inside our button we can put type there to be submit. Hope the video is not getting too long now to be submit. So let's do it and see what we have here. So now we have register here. So this our register now is not an input again. So we have removed it from being an input. So we can actually decide that one separately. So we're going to do that in the next class. All right.